Do you want your wig install to look like it is growing out of your scalp? Unclockable. No glue, no spray, no gel. Then keep on watching this video and I'm going to show you how I got this natural looking install to look like this in 5 minutes. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's wig is from IseeHair. This is what the packaging looks like. It comes with a wig cap, a accessory envelope that consists of a headband to use to give you that no glue or gel install, and some wig clips. And of course it comes with the 24-inch wig and this pre-plucked, pre-cut 9x6 3D cap lace frontal wig. That was a mouthful, but trust me, it is all worth it. So take a look at the entire wig. We're going to go ahead and install this wig just like this. So this is what the lace looks like. Lace is already cut. Inside of the wig comes with the elastic band already attached. The lace comes already tinted and plucked, or bleached I should say, which is a more familiar term. So you pretty much don't have to do anything to this wig, guys, but pretty much put it on. It also comes with combs on the back, which you also can detach or remove for a more comfortable fit. Now this wig is going to lay flat on the back of your head. It does not have any adjustable straps like a traditional wig would have. This M cap design also comes with ear tabs already cut out, which I'll show you a little bit more in this video. So let's go ahead and install this wig. Alright, so the key to a flat wig install is having your hair underneath the wig as flat as possible. So doesn't have to be neat, but it does need to be flat. So I have my hair in 2 braids and flat as hell underneath this stocking cap. Now I'm going to be using the HD wig cap. Now this packaging did come with a wig cap, but I just didn't want to use that. So if you got an HD wig cap, use that. But if you don't, you can use a regular light wig cap and just take you some foundation that is your shade and apply it on the stocking cap to help give you that skin-like look with your wig install. Also, adding powder foundation will hide this band right here that's on the stocking cap. Also, if you do the ball cap method, of course that would cut this band on the stocking cap, but I'm not going to do that in this video. It's just way too much, and it's an easier method that doesn't require the ball cap method. So anywho, let's keep going. So as I mentioned earlier, this is a glueless, no spray needed type of wig. So I'm going to go ahead and put the wig on using the headband and applying it like so. Now because this headband is adjustable, I am adjusting it to my head, which I want it to be a little snug. And I'm just going to adjust the combs underneath and flip it right over, and look at that. You pretty much got yourself a flawless install in literally 5 minutes, y'all. Like, for real. No plucking, no bleaching, like nothing. Look at how beautiful this wig looks, just like this straight out of the box. And take a look at the ear tabs that I was talking about with this M cap type of wig. Typically with the lace frontal wig, you would have to go in and cut the lace around the ears, which is so frustrating at times because the lace is just too big, or it's just too much lace on the hair. So you don't have to worry about that with this M cap design. And this is what the wig looks like in the back. It is pretty much seamless. It looks like a regular wig, but better. It's a more upgraded version. Also take a look at how flat the wig lays up against the nape of my hair, even though it does not have the traditional adjustable straps in the back, which also causes gapping when you use them. So here I'm just using a comb to show you girls that this wig is still not glued down, and it's melted into the skin, baby. And here is me pretty much putting the hair behind my ear with no problem. I really do like this M cap design because it is just convenient, honestly. Super convenient. It lays flat up against my skin. I love this 9x6 frontal. I don't have to worry about working with a whole bunch of lace. It's perfect. So honestly, with this wig, you literally can stop here and go right on out the door. But I want to add a few more touches to this wig just to show you girls what a little bit of tweaking can do to this wig. So I'm going to do a basic side, which will be just, taking a hot comb and just pressing out the roots. And then I'm going to take the other side and do a little bit more styling just so that you girls can see if you take a little bit more time on this wig, it just simply gets better. So here I am going to section off my hair, focusing in on that 9x6 frontal part, and I'm going to add a little bit of the wax stick, not a lot, just a little bit because I don't want the hair to be greasy. I'm going to take the hot comb, making sure I use the back of the hot comb and pressing it up against the roots of the wig to make sure the actual wig is flat. And I'm going to continue doing this until I actually get to the middle part of this wig. Alright, so I wanted to zoom in on the hairline and slow the clip down so that you girls could really see how beautiful this hairline is on this wig. Like, y'all, when I tell y'all IseeHair did their thing with this wig, they really did. Again, y'all, this wig is not glued down. Nothing is on this wig at all. Also, just look at the difference. When you take a few more minutes with this wig, it literally gets better. Look at the difference, y'all. Like, so I'm going to go ahead and section off my hair and just straighten my hair. Okay, y'all, and I pretty much finished one side of the wig. As you can see, one side just looks a little bit more pressed, a little bit more silkier. I want to say this texture is like a light yaki or a yaki texture. Definitely not silky straight, that's for sure, but I love this texture because to me it has a little bit more movement to it. Like I said, either way with this wig install, it's gonna eat regardless. So here's a close-up on both sides. Either way is perfect. I love both looks. And this is what a close-up of the wig and the hairline looks once I pressed out everything. Y'all, when I tell y'all IseeHair understood the goddamn assignment. Let me just stop talking because the video is self-explanatory at this point. I mean, the knots are so tiny, the lace is invisible. I literally did nothing to this wig, y'all, but press it out, honestly. And I really didn't even have to do that, and it still would have gave a beautiful install. This wig is definitely a wig that you need to have in your collection. I don't say that a lot. I'll do a lot of wig reviews, but I don't say you need to have this wig in your collection unless I feel like you definitely need it. This is one of those wigs where it takes bare minimum effort to get a natural that's your hair install. That's your hair. Okay? So to finish off this look, I'm going to add a little bit of concealer. I did not have to do this, but I just feel like with every wig, I gotta do that. And I also feel like it's going to make the wig look even more like my hair. And I mean, it was already giving it's growing out of my scalp, so it can't give that no more. Like, it literally can't. Y'all, check out that description bar. Use the coupon code. Buy this wig. I'm telling you, you will not regret it. This wig is perfect. Let me remind you again, no glue, no gel, no spray, nothing. This wig is glueless, y'all. Do y'all see this? This looks like it is my hair. Where is the lace? For real, y'all. Where is it? I don't see it. Okay? Look at that. Look at that. Baby, this is probably one of the best install I have did in a long time. Get you one of these. Get you one of these. Oh, and let me show you how easy it is to remove. So I'm going to go ahead and take it off. Everything is still perfect, right? Let's put her back on. Put her back on the same way we put her on at the beginning when she wasn't really styled, but she was ready to go. Okay? Same exact way. Put her on, put the comb on in the inside, flip her over, do a little adjustment with the lace in the front. Make sure the hairs isn't tucked inside. Make sure the ear tabs line up with my ears. Do a little bit of tweaking with the hairline to make sure it lays where it needs to be. And boom, you got the same install again with no glue, no spray, no gel, nothing, just clean. Get you one of these, girl. I ain't talking no more. Get you one of these. Bye.